Welcome. This is our payment system for tea vending machine, tea coffee vending machine. It have two access, QR UPI payment access, and second is the smart card access. So from smart card you can set cup per day and it will debit, and from QR I show you how to pay and take tea. So this is the scanner. Scan. Yes, scanned. Now pay. Presently price is 1 rupees, so need to pay only 1 rupees for 1 cup tea. Payment is processing.
₹1 received on phone pay.
So it paid, and select your choice mode comes. Now we can take our drink. And the machine is in again asking for next coin. So to attach this you need to put machine in coin mode. Thank you.